What's up, guys? Thank you for stopping by. Today I want to talk to you about an important, very important tool that we've used, and it has given us and it has brought us a lot of success, a lot of deals. And that tool is Deal Machine. We do not get paid by them. I just really like them. I'm very happy with their services, and I want to talk to you about how to use it. Deal Machine is a driving for dollars tool that we use for us to drive around neighborhoods, spot vacant properties, distressed properties, properties that need work. We add them to our database, and then we start marketing to them. So I'm gonna show you here how to do it. You're gonna click on the app. You're gonna go to Maps. That's where you're gonna start. You're gonna be at the neighborhood, and these little dots are properties. We're in a corporate space, so let's go to our neighborhood. So let's say we're here. You're gonna zoom in street by street. It seems like these are still commercial. What you wanna do is start driving. You're gonna click start driving. You're gonna see here on your screen, you're gonna press free drive, or you can plan a route ahead of time. For the sake of this video, we're going to do free drive mode. And then here at the top, it's gonna time you. It's gonna show you the miles that you've driven. It's gonna show you the deals that you've added. Okay. So again, we're gonna try to go to let's go to our neighborhood. Go to our neighborhood here, and as your car is moving, your dot is gonna be moving. You're gonna see your car moving as you're driving, and then you're gonna click a property that you've seen that needs a little bit of work. Then you're gonna click add lead, and you're gonna add that lead. Okay, it'll tell you if it's absentee owner. It will tell you the owners of the property and the address. Then on the top, it will show you how many leads you've added, how many miles you've driven, how many times you've driven. So that's a quick of it, guys. Once you're done driving, you're gonna select stop driving, and then you're gonna go on your computer. Once you stop driving, guys, you're gonna go on your computer, log in, and you're gonna export that list of properties that you added. You're gonna skip trace that list, and you're gonna start marketing to it. Hope that was helpful.